me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video should be very quick because I'm only talking about one thing. If you saw it, I posted a video telling you guys about the Sephora fragrance event that's going on right now where you get like 20% off a full-size fragrance. Well, after I made that video, I received another fragrance and I said, wait a minute. Now y'all know I like me a good fragrance, but honestly, like, there aren't that many fragrances where like off the bat I'm like, oh my god, I need to come tell y'all about this. Like, I can't gatekeep this. Y'all need to know about this, but this is one of them. So I received a package in the mail, and this is from Harlem Perfume Co. I've never heard of this brand before. I was like, wait a minute, I don't remember giving them my address, but you know what, I don't mind this time. I don't mind. So mind you, I opened it, I saw it was perfume. I was like, I don't know how you got here, but I'm happy that you were here. So I opened it up, right? This is their scent Langston, and it looks like this. I'm like, okay, packaging. I'm liking where this is going. So open it up, spray it. It smells so good. Hand over here, nose over here, can smell it all the way over here. And you know, I start smelling it in the air, and I start doing all this so I can smell. And I say, wait a minute. Does that sound familiar to you? Because it sounds familiar to me. I start thinking about it. Ooh. Please, I had to run and come tell y'all. This smells almost exactly enough to the point where I smelled it and I knew exactly what to think of. This smells almost exactly like Kilian's Angel Share, but better. There's a little something in Kilian's Angel Share where when I smell it, I'm like, I don't know about that. I'm like, do I like it or do I not? I think it might have a little bit more focus on apple in the Kilian's Angel Share. And now this does also smell like an apple pie or like a caramel apple, but I think that's what it is. I think Kilian's Angel Share is like a little bit of apple pie, where this is like a little caramel pie, but both of them have that kind of like boozy dessert. If you smelled Angel Share, then you know what I'm talking about. Langston and Angel Share have a boozy, sweet apple scent to them, right? However, now that I think about it and I'm saying it out loud, I feel like Langston is like a boozy, sweet caramel apple pie, spicy, and Angel Share is a boozy apple pie, spicy, but like a little bit more on the apple pie. And I think that's why I like Angel Share, but I think that's why when I think of purchasing it, I'm like, I don't know about that. Like, are you too sweet for me? Is it like not enough spicy? But when I tell you, baby, this smells exactly like it. But this has that little something, that little to it. And I believe this is like $140. And you know, like a full size of Angel Share is $400. So if you have seen people talk about Angel Share and you want to know what the hype is about Angel Share, but you're not ready to spend out that $400, and I think the smallest sizes are still like $200, something like that. Baby, this smell, I done told everybody to smell me. Like, what is, and mind you, I think it's supposed to be a cologne. I'm not sure. This would smell good on a man. Sometimes I'm a little iffy on gourmand fragrances on men. This would smell good on a man. So this is also a fragrance, you know, if you like sharing, man, go ahead, y'all can wear the same scent, but he'll want to eat you up and you'll want to eat him up with this, I'm telling you. So like I said, this is a company that I've never heard of before, so I looked up their company and they actually have fragrances that are available at Sephora. Now, unfortunately, Langston itself is not available at Sephora, but hopefully talking about it and letting more people know about this company, more of their scents will be available at Sephora. But right now they do have a discovery set, which will probably include this in there. And then there is a pink one called Showgirl. It has a 5-star review. There is a yellow one called Golden Muse. And then there's a blue one called Langston. But they're two different. Oh, it's Langston with tonka bean and chocolate. So maybe instead of like apple, that one has a chocolate scent to it. But I'm telling, baby, let me go ahead and get the discovery set, because this is a brand I want to know more. I want to smell more from you. Oh my God. You know, when people be like, this fragrance smells like this fragrance, and you rush to go get it because maybe you prefer this brand over that brand, or one's a better price than the other one, you smell it and you're like, two fragrances having mint being one of the notes in it does not mean that they are similar. They're like cousins. when you smell it, right? A lot of the cherry-based fragrances, I call a lot of them cousins, because it's like, you smell like Tom Ford Lost Cherry. You smell like Seven Virtues Cherry. You smell, these are fraternal twins. All right, so like I said, it's supposed to be a very quick video, just letting you know of a new fragrance brand that I found. Are you black owned? I'm on the black owned section. Yes, it is one of the first things that popped up when I clicked on it at Sephora. So if you're looking for a new fragrance house that is black owned, smell good, go ahead and check them out. And I figured, make this video and point this out right now while Sephora is having 20% off full sizes. So yeah, y'all, that is it. Definitely one I would recommend for a fall winter season. I think I told you guys that is the time where I like those foodie scents that just give like a cozy vibe. So if you catch me outside and you smell me and you are like, girl, what are you wearing? That is it. That is what I have on, absolutely positively. Now I haven't tried mixing it with anything else, but on its own, alone, got me sold. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So let me know if you've heard of them down below. Let me know if you've heard or if you tried any of their other scents, because I will definitely check out the rest of the brand. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.